Hello friends, I'm not Bhupen and Infant, and a brand new content creator. So if you're new here, claim 700 diamonds from the comments if we reach 100k subscribers. So today, I'll be playing with my random teammate. So did he go to the furnace? There is furnace and the country's church. So Infernos sorted Infernos acquired. Countries. Don't forget that I am smarter than you. Hey, get out of here. Now, this is the first street country, so we'll please give me Infernos or fucking grenade, wow. Yeah, bro, you just scared me, bro. Just Oro left. Was playing with a playing with an infernal sword. So where is my spear gone, bro? Let me be safe here. I wanna find my twins. No, I got Nova sound. Nova sound. I'm just missing an infernal sound. Drop my grenade. No, dropped somewhere. Just over here. No. drop data, remember bro. Need that grenade. No, I think you touched the lava. That was or not. About grenades. Yeah, cleaning up. But now let's just take out these cultures. Three hits and one cultist stays out. Guys, this happened to the videos. Told them, dude. Now, here the volcano is open still. Oh Lord, volcano. So, the armor. The scorpion. Monster. I'll see the mammoths. Here's the combo that I'm missing is the infernal sword. No, the infernal crossbow, known as the fire crossbow. So this is a 5 rate, so good luck. Look at this. This is known as the level 5 for this rate. Grenade. None of my. This was used. I'll take a rifle. Build a sundial and a compass. And then I'm hungry. The infernal sword, but it's worse than a morning star. Rifle. Just with the volcano, bro. just rained yesterday, guys. You saw that in the video, and I didn't look at the volcano. The volcano is open right now. The level 4 area, DK, how does it got it in the level 4? But the red mammoths attack you. Oh, I think this country's body is so good. And hey, countries. Oh, why do they are these names? What a wicked the morning star countries too. Okay, morning star. Because go. All this crossbow is nothing. The mood. Oh. Oh, why are the stuff being given units of this save? You go to record now. But then what about the rifle? The ram will attack me today. Oh no, why? First, let me clear out this ammo furnace. I'll clear this in the morning, then go to the sacrifice volcano. Two cultists to remove all the. Oh, I just take 2 hits just to kill a bunny. Just joking, guys. See, 1 hit and bunny. Go to the sun to the volcano biome. Self aura. The leather armor, the infernal sack, the lava. I'm just missing the wildfire and the internal crossbow. I mean the infernal crossbow. So that let me kill some bunnies so I can get the meat. Also, I'm in full hunger right now. First, I'll clear the furnace. Take back all the bodies. Scorpions. Thank you, but I don't know healer. Oh, that was to heal up unnecessarily. Still, do you remember the guys? Just how did I miss that? The volcano is blocked. So, I'm hungry right now, so should I kill a mammoth? For fun, yeah, bro. First, I'll burn these all because my campfire is about to go out. I don't care about these purchase right now. I'm caring about the mammoth that I want to kill. Hey, stupid mammoth. Oh, food trips. Food trips. I can't pick this dust. See what can I do from this dust. Oh. Chef. Two items weekly, so guys, I just kill the mammoth. Let us eat all the sticks. This biome is not. This biome is not metalite, no fairy. Yes, I'm just going towards the fairy biome. Crossing of elite. Now guys, let's just check this online alphabets. Alphabets. Oh, unknown alphabets only. There's a tree house too. Good. So there's just a common iron chest that can give you strong flashlight. But it does not. Well, the game has promised not to give anything good to me, I think so. Uh, some ammo very bad. Guys, this platform just scared me. What's this IDK? Oh, I can't move. Guys, my aura. Bro, Please, if I get the legendary chest, then I will get a tier. Oh, see, guys, I wasn't joking. See, I think this is the bad impact of leaving teams. And Alpha 4, 2 Alphas. Oh my god. Bro, these Alpha doggies just bit me. Run. The person who's left, I'll kill it. So this was HP can kill me. Wow, I'm such a nice. I'm joking. Oh, the. Oh, God. What's there, bro? Please. Oh, heal me. Oh, is the. Should I make a shelf base? After this thing, I'll make the 2-piece shelf base, but the red one, not the red one. Guys, just healing up. Let me make a filthy looking good shelf base. Balloon set. Guys, in this one, no cultists can attack me, not even the crossbow cultists. Oh, he just forgot to build a lightning rod. And guys, see, I made the shell base. I still have 21 of those. See? Where's my mouse? There's still half 14 shelves left. We should clear this much. What should I do now? All of our weapons there. The infernal sack and this and this, this and this. And let us build more. Guys, we love shelves. Uh, some wasting on purpose. Let's see. It's now this time to be good. Oh, why did I say the gratitude? And guys, tomorrow I'll make a video on a special challenge. You will be shocked when you see that. No, no, no one has done it. Some have done, but I cannot say that whosoever has the self-preservation match. Oh, forgot to pick my weapons, bro. Weapons. Shelf one alone. Well, I forgot to pick my weapons. Bro, it does not kill. And guys, if you like my video, please. This video is not intended. I will be surviving find new weapons. But guys, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button. Bye guys. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to me so I can reach 100k subscribers really fast. And thank you for till I've got 40 subscribers.